If you thought today's biggest automotive story couldn't get any more interesting, wait until you hear what happened. And as always, today's episode is brought to you with support from Personamize.ai.
When I first read today's headlines, I honestly didn't expect the story to take this direction. There's a lot to unpack, so let's break it all down.
So grab a coffee, settle in, and let's dive right into today's biggest automotive stories. You know, Maya, when I first saw the news about Audi's new A6 Allroad, I couldn't help but feel a rush of excitement. This model is wearing RS6 fenders, and that's a bold move in a market saturated with boring SUVs.
Right? Audi has always had a unique approach to blending performance and practicality, but this feels like they're really stepping it up. Why do you think they decided to take this path with the Allroad?
Well, one factor is definitely the growing competition from more adventurous SUVs. Audiences want something that stands out, something that sparks joy. By incorporating the sporty RS6 fenders, Audi is not only differentiating the Allroad from other crossovers but also appealing to that performance-driven demographic.
That's a great point. The aesthetics alone could switch up consumer perceptions. Let's face it, the traditional SUV design is becoming monotonous. It's great to see a brand like Audi mixing things up while still maintaining function. This is an all-road, after all, meant for versatility.
Exactly. The Allroad concept has always been about blending comfort with off-road capabilities. But by making it visually more aggressive with those RS6-inspired fenders, it really communicates that this vehicle is ready for more than just the daily commute.
It's fascinating how a design choice can shift the narrative. So, do you think the performance specs will follow suit? I mean, if they're going for that aggressive look, they have to back it up with power, right?
That's where things get interesting. Audi is known for its Quattro all-wheel drive system, and I wouldn't be surprised to see a more powerful engine option available. They have to compete with the likes of the BMW X5 and Mercedes-Benz GLE, which are already pushing boundaries in tech and performance.
Speaking of tech, Audi has been integrating advanced features into their vehicles. Do you think we'll see any groundbreaking technology in this all-road?
Absolutely. Audi has been ahead of the curve with things like their MMI infotainment system and driver assistance features. Imagine a hybrid or electric version of the Allroad equipped with cutting-edge tech that emphasizes efficiency without sacrificing that sporty feel.
Now that would be a game changer. The market is shifting, and consumers are looking for eco-friendly options. If Audi can nail the balance between performance and sustainability, they could really set a new standard for this segment.
That's a good observation. The automotive landscape is evolving rapidly, and brands that don't adapt could risk losing relevance. Audi seems to understand this, and by pushing boundaries with the A6 Allroad, they are establishing themselves not just as a luxury brand, but as a forward-thinking player in the market.
It's almost like they're saying, we can have it all. A luxury SUV that doesn't just carry your groceries, but also carries a sense of style and sporty performance. I think that kind of duality can appeal to a wider audience.
Absolutely. Plus, let's consider the demographic. Younger buyers are looking for vehicles that are not only functional, but also expressive of their lifestyle. The Allroad could resonate well with those who want to venture off the beaten path while still enjoying a premium experience.
You mentioned the future outlook earlier. How do you think this model will affect Audi's positioning in the larger automotive market?
I think it could solidify Audi's reputation as a leader in innovation. If they manage to capture the attention of buyers who might typically lean towards SUVs, they could dominate that market segment. The Allroad offers a compelling alternative, and if they back it with strong marketing, it could be quite successful.
I can already imagine the ads, adventurous families enjoying weekend getaways in the Allroad, zipping through dirt paths, all while looking effortlessly stylish.
Exactly. And let's not forget that signature Audi design. It's all about making a statement, and the RS6 fenders do just that. They're not just selling a vehicle, they're selling a lifestyle.
I can't wait to see how this unfolds. The combination of performance, aesthetics, and practicality could change the game for Audi and the Allroad.
For sure. It's an exciting time in the automotive world, and I'm looking forward to seeing how Audi and other brands respond to this shifting landscape.
And this is just the beginning. We'll definitely keep our eyes peeled for updates and performance metrics once the A6 Allroad hits the market.
Absolutely. Thanks for diving into this with me, Maya. It's always a pleasure to discuss these exciting developments in the automotive world.
Likewise, Alec, can't wait for our next conversation.